Hi everyone, I'm Amalia. I have been a hair extension and wig expert for 20 years, and I am here to talk to you about TressAllure's new line of wigs called Look Fabulous, and they literally do. This one is the angled bob. How cute is it? I'm just gonna rock this for the rest of the day. Anywho, let's talk about the caps, the wig caps. What's going on the inside? TressAllure has designed 4 different types to accommodate different price points so that all women can have an opportunity to look fabulous. How dope is that? So this style, the new wave, has a sheer comfort mono top and lace front. And it is a hand knotted monofilament top. So it's very lightweight, it's very comfortable. The front lace is around the hairline and the whole top of the head, so you can totally brush the hair in every direction and it looks and wears extremely natural. This sweetheart is called the Mia. It has the sheer front lace front and a sheer front lace part. It is hand tied and knotted, and the stretch and the cap gives you that flexibility to fit any size shape head. And it's very cool the way it is. The wefts are tied within there, so it's very comfortable, it's very light, it's very airy. The Mia is a great option. This is the angled bob, which you can see also has front lace in the front. So you cannot see that I have a very deep widow's peak. This front lace around the front edges is just enough to make it look and feel extremely natural. As you can see, I am not even wearing a wig cap, and it is very easy to stretch over my head and get back into position very easily. And this is the angled bob, and it has the front lace. And this is the Ashland. The Ashland has a cool comfort cap. This makes it light and airy and very comfortable, and this one is very moderately priced. Whether you choose the Ashland or the new wave, there is a cap for your price point, and as you can see, no matter what you choose, TressAllure, look at this, TressAllure made every style look super natural, super bomb, and you're gonna look hot no matter what.